Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. Staying at the Cititel Midvalley has always been a delightful experience, and I did just that on the last 2 days of my Malaysia trip recently. Spending 2 joyful days in one of my favorite places helps me each time to bid farewell to Malaysia before embarking on the journey back to Houston. Honestly, Cititel Midvalley Hotel and Midvalley Mega Mall in Kuala Lumpur and the Citi Cafe at Cititel Midvalley had a very special place in my heart. So this is the place that I stayed upon arrival from overseas and a place where I live before departure. It's like going to a familiar place before leaving and each time not knowing when I would be back. For me, it's nearly a home away from home. The place is clean and beautifully decorated. The staff is polite and professional, and it even smells lovely. It's so connected that you don't feel trapped in just a hotel room. You can roam the entire mega mall, literally just in the adjacent building, steps away from the hotel. In my next video, I will elaborate more on the top reasons to stay in the Cititel Midvalley Hotel. I highly recommend that you stay in this business class hotel and roam freely at the Midvalley Mega Mall, which is located at Jalan Putra. And also, book the buffet breakfast to dine in the Citi Cafe the next morning and enjoy the diverse cuisines of Malaysia. In this video, I will like to talk about one of the highlights of staying in the Cititel Midvalley Hotel, which is the buffet breakfast served at the Citi Cafe, located in the lobby of the Cititel Hotel. Served from 6:30 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. daily, the sumptuous buffet breakfast serves the best of Malaysia's multicultural and international repertoire. Malaysia comprises 3 main races with distinct cultures, and this multicultural feature is proudly presented in the diversity of cuisines. This buffet breakfast in Cititel Cafe showcases our culinary diversity in perfect harmony. One of the must-try is the nasi lemak, rice cooked in fragrant coconut milk and paired with spicy rich sambal sauce, crispy anchovies, peanuts, and slices of hard-boiled eggs. This complete meal is unofficially the national food of Malaysia, where it is served and eaten everywhere and anytime. It can be a basic meal, yet can take on a more luxury touch when paired with rendang, curry chicken, sambal prawns, and fried fish. Then there is the specialized omelette corner, where a chef prepares an omelette or eggs according to your desired preference. This will definitely go well with sausages, potatoes, baked beans, and bread that are freshly baked and served. Never miss the rice porridge corner, where warm rice porridge is kept simmering and condiments such as salted duck eggs, pickled vegetables, and other toppings are served with simple porridge. This is often one of the locals' favorites, not forgetting the noodle soup section, where you can blanch some noodles and then pour some warm hot soup on these noodles. Other than these local delights, there is a tropical fruit platter section where you can select nicely sliced pieces of watermelon, honeydew, papaya, and pineapple to assemble a fruit platter for a healthy start. A variety of breakfast cereals, freshly baked croissants, pastry, and bread are served with different jams and butter. There are also oat porridge and many accompaniment of nuts and dry fruits available. In short, diners are spoiled for choice. Don't forget to try the kaya or coconut jam, which is a local favorite to be spread on toast. This is the meal that I take time to savor as my last authentic Malaysian meal before leaving. Until the next trip, I just needed to keep this authentic taste in my memory. The coffee and chocolate drink machines are a whole section to explore. Other than the usual offerings of cappuccino, latte, etc., Malaysians have their own favorite, including warm Milo and white coffee. For someone who is leaving the hotel in a few hours, this buffet offers the chance to savor the best of Malaysia delights without leaving the hotel. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to Meals with Sue. Stay healthy and happy always. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, keep smiling and keep positive. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and we stay in touch. See you in my next video to chat about food, cooking, traveling, and anything else that arises. Let me know in the comment below where you're tuning from and what is your favorite Malaysian food. See you again. Bye.